Today we're going to be finding out which pellet gun is the most efficient, putting them through 3 tests. 1 being aim, 2 damage, and 3 knockback. Let's go. First, sniper. As expected, 5 out of 5. Pellet gun. So, that one is 2.5 out of 5. Shotgun. Zero out of 5. Pretend that like that was one button. Okay. That one, yep, 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10, or 5 out of 5. But, did we do them all? Yeah. Test number 2. Damage. Pellet gun.
250.
Sniper.
500. RPG.
Oh, 1,000.
Shotgun.
Get that right in my face. 500. Okay, final challenge. Knockback. Here we have the number of blocks between. If we forgot that one, we have the number of blocks on the signs, so we know.
Pellet gun.
10,
Shotgun.
15,
Sniper.
13,
RPG.
-2. That is just, ladies and gentlemen, that is embarrassing.
Disappointing.
Anyway, the way we determined the final scores was whichever gun did the worst got 4 points, and whichever one did the best got 1 point. So the less points you have, the better. The final scores should be listed right here. And so we have RPG and sniper tied in first, with shotgun in second and pellet in last place. So I know which guns to use.
Like and subscribe.